Well, humid weather is on the way. It's rather muggy out there right now in some areas, but even more so tonight and much of tomorrow. So it will be rather sticky if you're out for a little walk or run, especially during the daytime tomorrow. Thunderstorm could return Wednesday night. We're kind of focusing on the overnight hours, not during the day, but after the sun goes down, kind of start thinking, maybe something might happen tonight. There's a potential for storms late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning before sunrise, and at least a small threat for severe weather that we'll show you later on. But the good news is cooler weather returns Thursday, most of Thursday once the sun comes up. Looks to be like a sunny, cooler day, a little breeze going, kind of like it was back on Sunday. Remember Sunday? It was feeling pretty good. The humidity was down, temperatures were kind of down. It was cool in the morning. That's what we'll kind of see Thursday afternoon into Friday, and maybe even Saturday looking about the same too. So you get a few days to enjoy the refreshing air before the humidity comes back again. Not much happening right now in most of the valley, but we showed you earlier the clouds are coming in from the east, so it's already kind of clouded over more in Cameron and Wilsey counties, and a couple sprinkles trying to fall from those clouds. So occasionally getting a little sprinkle hitting the ground in spots around Port Isabel and South Padre Island, but nothing heavy, just little sprinkles now and then are possible as this moves inland during the evening hours. But most of the time, and in most places, it's going to be dry. So temperatures right now, you can tell where the clouds are moving in because temperatures have dropped some. We're at 85 in Harlingen, 79 in Port Isabel, but then we're at sunnier, still 91 in McAllen and 95 in Rio Grande City. So also the humidity is coming in from the east too, so it's more humid in the lower valley where the clouds and moisture are in place. Winds picking up, but just a little bit, not much of a wind, about 10 to 15 miles per hour from the east and southeast, but it's coming off the Gulf of Mexico, which is again helping to raise the humidity. So this evening, clouds kind of eventually winning out. If you're still in the sunshine now, it will eventually cloud over more as the evening goes on. Temperatures falling mainly through the 80s in the evening, and because of the humidity and kind of that light wind around tonight, it may not cool off very much at all. This might be the muggiest night of the week when temperatures may not get much below about 76 or 77 all night long. So it's a rather sticky, almost kind of summertime feel to the night coming up. Now the satellite radar shows the clouds coming back. You can see the clouds right there coming in, especially in the lower valley right now over Cameron and Wilsey counties on up into Kennedy County and to the north. But again, very little moisture in terms of rain. But Future Track does show some changes. Overnight, we pick up more clouds. Again, you might see a sprinkle or two this evening and later tonight, but most of the time it looks dry. Tomorrow, we start off with some patchy clouds. I think we'll kind of break up the clouds a little more by afternoon. So it's possible that we break out into some sunshine for a while in most areas, but it may be hard to lose the clouds near the coast. But kind of like today, the clouds may be near the coast and then sunnier off to the west during the afternoon. But I think we do get some sun. And then tomorrow night, cold front should be coming in by around midnight to 2 a.m. Future Track shows about 2 a.m. the front's moving into the valley. There could be a line of some showers and storms along the front, so you want to watch that tomorrow night because, like I mentioned, there's a small chance for a severe thunderstorm or two. Better chance of severe thunderstorms tomorrow evening if you're headed north of the valley, up closer to Houston or southeast Texas. Once this front moves through by about sunrise on Thursday morning, the clouds should quickly break apart, and then we're back into sunshine, cooler temperatures, lower humidity for Thursday during the day, with temperatures probably hanging in about the mid-80s or so in most areas for highs, and similar weather for Friday with sunshine and low humidity. Just maybe a little breezy at the coast again on Thursday if you're headed out there. So first 7-day forecast, 92 tomorrow. And remember, there could be storms tomorrow night, but not during the daytime. And then Thursday, any storm should occur before sunrise. So most of Thursday we'll be back in the sunshine again with highs in the 80s. Friday looks like a good day, not too much wind, low humidity. Lows could dip into the upper 50s and highs in the 80s. And even Saturday, not too hot with low humidity around. But by next week, we pick up a few more clouds, but temperatures, at least temperatures aren't ready to go nuts again anytime soon. I mean, tomorrow will be kind of hot if you're out during the daytime. I think the upper valley, like Starr County, might even be near 100 again. Oof. But for the most part, we're kind of keeping the heat away for a while.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
You know, it's that time of year when, it should be a little bit cooler than summer.
Yeah.
I mean, like last week, it was like the dog days of summer, like Canicola was here.
Yeah, I try to stay below 100 outside.
All right. Thanks a lot, Alan.